Hey there everyone, just doing a video about the release that I've done. So if you've been following the other videos about the VGA refactor, I've fixed all the ones that I had been talking about. They weren't too much effort, but you can look back through the Git log if you're interested in how. But yeah, this video is about version 0.0.0.3. So yeah, I thought I'd show off some new features about it. So you can see, you can see a cool little demo that's been updated, but you can also see the change notes, I guess. So we had quite a few bugs with the shell history last time, and now you can go back and forward, and it'll add new stuff to it, and that's all pretty cool. Yeah, so we've done all that. We've also done like a bunch of stuff around debugging. So one thing is, say if I cause a panic here, you see that it's kind of scrolled up and we can't go too much, but you can see that it kind of knows which functions we were in now, which was a problem with earlier versions. And if we go debug and do the same thing, say, I don't know, we'll break on scroll down line, and we'll see what happens there. If we continue that, you can see it's doing nothing, but once we do that, it's going to scroll down line because we've gone too far. And you'll see here that it's we have the names of like a bunch of stuff, and like we can see where our scroll buff currently is. We can see how far through the buffer we are. We can see where the bottom of the screen is, and all sorts of stuff like that. Whereas before we used to have to kind of look up memory locations manually. So that's quite a good little thing there. And that was done in using a tool in a different language actually. So I think I've called it debug. No, what did I call it? Generate. So it's in a language called Porth, which is I don't know. It's a stack-based language that was very loosely based off Forth. But yeah, there's like a bunch of code there that kind of goes through the debug output of the Phasm compiler to find all the symbols. And then kind of my favorite part is I did like a big refactor of the VGA driver. So the VGA driver was like the first driver that I basically wrote for this, and it was quite large and monolithic, and so I've kind of split out some of the responsibilities into various places. So I've kind of got a library that does all the ANSI stuff, and I've made this term which will probably get split up again because it's kind of like a window. So we can like move about and stuff. So if we go to move 0, 0, you'll see it kind of shifts over there. We can say move it back to here. We can also just shake it all about. We can also resize it to something bigger. If we print out some stuff, then resize it back down to something like that. You can still like scroll through it, and it tries to stay roughly where you were showing. and when you resize back up, it all just works, and you can scroll through everything. There, I can see there's a small bug, but that's right, bugs are going to happen. Yeah, so that's basically it for this release. Got some ideas and stuff for future stuff. But for now, yeah, check it out and let me know what you think, and we'll do another video soon.